The last class we have seen Griffin was enjoying the night. Very good food, cookies, biscuits, cool drinks, everything. So he was enjoying, and he had very good woolen dress also. The problem of dress is solved, problem of money is solved, problem of food is solved, problem of a house is solved. All the problems solved without the expense of a single penny. So, let us see. If only Griffin had managed to wake up in good time, all might have been well. See, if only Griffin had managed to wake up in good time, all might have been well. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arriving next morning. You see, Griffin was inside the storeroom and he is sleeping there. And it is said that if the owner of the shop and the employees of the shop are also following the timing of Griffin, then there would be no problem. Because Griffin would be getting up at 11 o'clock. And if the workers of the shop are coming at 11 o'clock, no problem, because Griffin would go out unattended. He would return all the dress there and he would go out. But here the problem, Griffin had a late timing, but the shopkeepers came early. They opened the shop. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants, the workers, the employees were already arriving next morning. When he saw a couple of them, when he saw one or two approaching, he panicked and began to run. He was afraid and he began to run away. They naturally gave chase. Can you imagine one sentence, Aditya Madhu? Seeing the employees, he began to run. And the workers chased him. Why? He was invisible. Aditya. E013, Aditya Madhu. Why did the workers chase him? He made himself invisible. He entered the shop. But when he ran away from the shop, the workers chased him, ran after him. Why?
I've never seen an invisible man, sir. They are curious.
He was invisible. If the workers had chased him, then he should be visible. What happened to him? Think.
Yes, clothes.
Very good. Because last night, you see, these are the questions, a style of coming. Last night, he wore the woolen clothes. He had the coat, hat and all these things. Seeing the workers of the shop, he did not change the dress. He ran with the dress. When the workers looked at him, the dress is moving, so they ran behind him. Understood? Clear? Okay. So, they naturally gave chase. In the end, he was able to escape only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes. Underline. So, the laborers, the workers were running after him. And how did he save himself, Sainaba? How did he save himself? He again threw his dress. He took the dress and he threw away. Then he became invisible. Clear now? So this is the way. So once more he found himself invisible but naked in the chill January air. So by removing the dress, he became once again invisible. But what is the problem? What is the problem? He could not bear the cold of the climate, that season. He did not have a single dress in the winter season. This time, he decided to try the stock of a theatrical company in the hope of finding not only clothes but also something that would hide the empty space above his shoulders. You see, this time, first one he went to a storeroom. Now second one, he thought of entering a theatrical company. A room, a storehouse, a shop where items related to drama, one act play, were kept. So, what is of importance? There will be a lot of variety of dresses will be there. Then makeup items will be there, wig will be there, mustache will be there, everything will be there. So he planned to enter a theatrical shop. What is the reason? In the hope of finding not only clothes, underline theatrical company, number two, theatrical company. In the hope of finding not only clothes, but also something that would hide the empty space above the shoulders. What is empty space? Head. So if he gets a wig, he can keep it on the head. If he gets a mustache, keep it here, so he will become really a man. Shivering with cold, he hurried to Drury Lane, underline. He hurried to Drury Lane, center of the theatrical world. So in big cities, it is like that. In the major cities, certain markets will be there. In those markets, same products will be available. Suppose if you go to Delhi and Bangalore and such kind of markets, you see, there will be a market where you will get only electrical goods. So if you want to purchase electrical goods, go to that market. There will be another market where you will have refrigeration, fridge and items, AC, fridge and all these things, you will be there. There will be another market where there will be major jewelries will be there. Another market for clothes, like that items based, commodities based markets. So here Drury Lane is a street where there were only shops related to drama, dance, one act play, such kind of things, you will get it. Suppose if you are arranging a drama, you go to Drury Lane, you will get many shops there. So that is why he went to Drury Lane. That is the center of theater world. He soon found a suitable shop. He reached there, Drury Lane. Soon he found a suitable shop, he made his way invisible upstairs and came out a little later wearing bandages round his forehead. So he entered there. He was there with using his invisible nature. So he threw away his dress and he became invisible, transparent. Nobody could see him, but his body was solid. You see, his body was solid, but it was transparent. Transparent. So with this transparent, with this invisible body, he reached Drury Lane. He entered a shop and he made a search inside. You see, upstairs he went and came out from there a little later wearing bandages around his forehead. He used a bandage. Dark glasses, cooling glass, false nose. In theater, we will have false nose, rubber nose, rubber nose. You will get all the things. So you can make a funny nose using the rubber nose. If you see the Tamil film, Dashavadaram, have you seen Dashavadaram?
Yes, sir.
Kamal Hassan's Dashavadaram. There, Kamal Hassan featured himself as 10 types of people, isn't it? In the first scene itself, we have seen he is taken in a hook, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And he became the president of America, isn't it? So the nose is made like that. So in theatrical shop, you will get everything duplicate. So he took a nose, a rubber nose, he kept it there. He took a band, he kept around his forehead. So underline, he took bandages, underline. The dark glasses, Karunanidhi glasses, isn't it? Karunanidhi glasses, dark glasses, cooling glass. Do you know Karunanidhi? The great politician of Tamil Nadu. He always wears dark glasses. So Karunanidhi glasses. False nose, rubber nose. Big bushy side whiskers. Mustache. And a large hat. That means the part above the neck, shoulders was filled now. Band, mustache, rubber nose, everything. So there is a face to him. Clear now? He carelessly attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed him all of the money he could find. You see, he carelessly attacked. He carelessly, casually, or strangely he attacked him. All on a sudden, he attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed the money from him and he ran. He was a lawless man. Though he was a scientist, he was a lawless man. He is a villain. He is a villain. That is why he attacked the shopkeeper and took the money from him. Second incident. Eager to get away from crowded London, he took a train to the village of Iping. Third one, number 3. So he understood that it is very difficult. It is very difficult to manage this busy London city. So he got money, he got the dress, now he wanted to go to the village. He had chosen the place, a village of Iping, underline, village of Iping, his third place, where he booked 2 rooms at a local inn. He booked 2 rooms for staying, rental rooms. The arrival of a stranger at an inn in winter was in any case an unusual event. You see, the arrival of a stranger in winter season in Iping is strange. Why? Can you tell me why? The people keep rooms for rent, but they found it is strange. Switch on your unmute. Why it was strange? Can you tell me? Unmute and speak. Let there be mistake, no problem. Unmute the mic. Can you tell me the answer? Why it was strange? Anyone can say? Anyone may say. Why it is so strange? Just think.
Can you say the question one more time? Can you say the question?
That place is remote, not a lot of people are there, and it is winter, so I see going out. Once again, Aditya. Yeah, there are not that much people in that place. So for a complete stranger to come in the middle of a very bad weather is strange.
Yes, okay, I will come to the point. Anybody else? Ashik?
His,
Prayod?
his appearance was uncommon.
His appearance was uncommon. Okay, so it was strange. And Ashik, what did you say?
Can you repeat the question one more time?
You see, about Aditya told something that was, you see, in a winter season, the people who live in that area will not go for tour. You see, people who live in the winter cold areas, they will not go out during winter season. They won't go and stay there. They may go to summer season, isn't it? When it is winter here, in order to save from the winter, from here we will go to a place where the climate is warm. Am I right? Where the people are living in a hot area, they will come to a place where it is cold. Clear now? People move to opposite climates. Do you follow my idea? Do you get the idea? You see, people who are living in Kullu Manali. Do you know Kullu Manali? It is the coldest place. Ice, snowfall and all these things are there. The people who live, it is in the Himalayas, Kullu Manali, Himachal Pradesh. So the people in Kullu Manali will not go out in their own city, in their own state for a picnic, because whole place was under minus degree. If they want to go, they may come to Kerala or some other places where the climate is warm. Clear now? But we go from here to Kullu Manali at that time. Why? We are fed up with the hot season here, hot summer, so we want to enjoy some days there in the winter. So people go for tours to the opposite climate. So here, in this area, Drury Line and those area, or village Iping, the climate was extreme winter. So in such a time, there would be no tourists. There would be no tourists. That is why a man came and took 2 rooms. That is why it was strange. It was strange. So a stranger, such uncommon appearance, produce what you have told, isn't it? Second reason, the man came with an uncommon appearance. What is uncommon? A band on the head and a mustache and a cooling glass, an uncommon appearance. So, a stranger of such uncommon appearance set all tongues wagging. They began to murmur. They began to doubt. Mrs. Hall, underline, Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, made every effort to be friendly. So she wanted to be friendly to him. But Griffin had no desire to talk and told her, my reason for coming to Iping is a desire for solitude. Solitude, being alone. Being alone. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. Besides, an accident has affected my face. So what happened? What happened is that since he was in a strange look, he was not in a happy mood. What happened? The landlady came to her and wanted to make a friendly approach to him. She wanted to know, how are you, man? Where are you coming from? What is your work? And all these things. She wanted to get the news from him. So he said, my dear lady, I am not interested. I am not interested. I came here to spend some time in loneliness, in solitude. I want to be alone. You see? So to the landlady, he did not want to speak. Why? If he speaks, the secret will be out. Savio, the secret will be out. Griffin had to keep the secret that he is invisible. So he told his wife, I am not interested. Griffin had no desire to talk and told her, underline, my reason for coming to Iping is a desire for solitude. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. I did not want to get disturbed. I think my students will tell at home, while you are reading and studying, when mummy comes and calls you once again and twice and thrice, or while your siblings come and disturb you, you should have the mind, mummy, I am studying, don't disturb me. Will you be able to tell? When your siblings, brothers or sisters coming and calling you for playing and all these things, will you be able to tell? No, I am studying. How many will be there to tell like that? Nobody will be there. If somebody calls, what you will say? Oh, just I am coming, I am coming, I am coming. Your answer would be that, I am coming. How many will you be able to tell that? No, you go your own way. I have many things to study. I have many assignments to write and all these things. Next assignment is coming. Next week. Chemistry assignment is coming. So get ready and complete your language assignment. Is it over? And Malayalam Hindi is over? What, sir? Exam is just now over. One more week I am giving you. Is it getting over?
Some more to do.
Try to do, finish by this week or next week. Next week, teacher will give you the chemistry. So on a vacation, you can enjoy very well, isn't it? More days are there. So you enjoy Onam. In between, do some computer work also, network also, downloading and all these things. Okay. Enjoy.
On holiday starts.
On a holidays, it is from 19th, isn't it? 19th. It will be from 19th. You enjoy. Onam is only for 3 days, isn't it? Uttradam, Onnam Onam, Randam Onam, Onnam Onam, Tiruvonam, isn't it? I think so. Only 3 or maximum 4 days. One is Uttrada Chanda, Uttradam is there. Then Onnam Onam, Tiruvonam, Randam Onam. 3 days or 4 days, isn't it? Enjoy the Onam. And watch movies also. Every hour there will be movies, isn't it? You will be tired of checking the channels. In this channel, in that channel, that one, in that channel, Mr. One, number one, which one I will see? Both are good, but both came in the same timing. What shall I do? It is a problem. So you enjoy the days, but rest of the days, do the work. Do the work. Okay. So, I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. Besides, an accident has affected my eyes. My face is strange because I met an accident. That is why. Satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist, the landlady thought, oh, he was an eccentric, an extraordinary type of mental scientist. And in view of the fact that he had paid her in advance, and he paid the money in advance because he has collected the money from the shop from there. He kicked the shopkeeper and took the money from him. That money he paid here to the landlady for the rooms. So the landlady got the money. So she thought, this man is not interested in this, and I am not also interested. And let him stay there. Let him be there because he has already given me the rent also. In view of the fact that he had paid the rent in advance, Mrs. Hall was prepared to excuse his strange habits. Underline, strange habits. She did not consider his strange habits and irritable temper. She suffered because she is getting money. But the stolen money did not last long because the stolen money had a limitation. From that money, he was paying the rent, he was paying for food, and it is losing. So it has a limitation. The stolen money did not last long. And at present, Griffin had to admit that he had no more ready cash. And now Griffin said, I don't have enough money with me. The stock of money is over now. I have spent the whole money. So, but the stolen money did not last long. And presently, Griffin had to admit that he had no more ready cash. He pretended, underline the word, he pretended However, that he was expecting a check, underline, expecting a check to arrive at any moment. See the spelling of check. Spelling. It is not CHECK. That is another verb. This check is a bank draft. Bank currency. An instrumental act, draft. CHEQUE. It is equal to money. We do payments through check, with checks, or the payment is done through check. So he now, his liquid money is over. Now he says, I have to get a check from so-and-so and it will be encashed in the bank, then I will give you the money. Check has to come. Payment has to come. Nowadays, people won't say check. Payment has to come. Now it is a time of payment. Google Pay, GPay, Google, many payments are there, isn't it? I don't know all the payments. Digital payments. Many kinds of payment. You transfer money by digitals. So check is unimportant now. Nowadays we say, oh, sir, okay, I will pay you tomorrow. I am expecting a payment by today. So he also said to the landlady that he was expecting a check, a payment, and he was extending his payment day after day. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.